Okay, love. So let me just briefly run through my home office for pre-fall because officially we have not hit fall yet. So this is all my pre-fall decor that I'm doing in the blush pink color. I'm going to be ending my fall with my teal cerulean signature color, which I'm so excited and I cannot wait to pull that color out. So I'm going to start over on this side. So I'm going to start with this little 3D wall art here. I actually made this with my Cricut Maker and I just actually put it inside the frame. I took the summer leaf out and put the fall pumpkin in here, and I'll be swapping the scenery out with each holiday. So I recently did a video when I styled this bookshelf and showed you guys where all these items came from. So I'm going to briefly go through it again. Wall art from Home Goods, white flowers from Credenza, gold flowers from Pier 1. This pick here actually came from Home Goods. You can actually do DIY something like this. The bookshelf came from Rooms to Go. The white books from Z Gallery, gold books from Home Goods. Acorn from Hobby Lobby. I think these came from Michael's. The florals came from actually came from Amazon. I'll leave the link below to those. These are just picks here. They came from Home Goods last year. The vase also from Home Goods. Books from Amazon. Pumpkin from Home Goods. The boxes from Z Gallery. The gold pumpkin at the bottom from Pier 1. This object here came from Z Gallery. The drapes, beautiful drapes, came from Amazon. The vases on the top came from Z Gallery. The wall art here came from Home Goods. More bushels of the Amazon peonies here. More pumpkins inserted. Vase came from Lifestyle NYC. These beautiful candle holders here came from Bath & Body Works last year. Candle set from Amazon. It actually comes in a set just like this one. It's like 20, I think 24 or 29 bucks. I'll leave the link below to that. The pumpkins here actually came from lights.com. They were gifted to me last year. My Credenza, I think my Credenza came from, no, I think my Credenza may have came from Overstock or Wayfair, but I placed the link below to that. My little birdie here came from, I think it came from At Home a couple of years ago. It's really cute. At Home has the cutest little objects. And my Christmas tree came from King of Christmas. It's the 9-foot King Fraser Fir Slim Quick tree. It's really easy to put up. It came in I think it came in 4 different pieces. And I just clip. And I didn't get the lights because I like to add a special touch of lighting to my trees. But I love this tree. Super cute. And not a piece of flock in sight. I was so burnt out on flocking, so I decided to get a regular green tree. Like the branches because they're not that sticky. Let me see if I can there you go. They're not the sticky branches here, but they're really easy to bend and work with. And I like that about the tree. These little pink pumpkins here actually came from Hobby Lobby. And I don't know why I only picked up 3, but I should have picked up several. But yeah, I have 3 of those in the tree. The little white pumpkins came from Hobby Lobby as well from last year. The little pink ones that I have here and there came from Hobby Lobby. And these Thankful and Blessed plaques also came from Hobby Lobby last year. The ribbon came from Credenza. It's a local wholesale store here in Houston. So moving over on this side, my ginger jar came from Z Gallery. My gold plaques on the wall came from Macy's. This little, oh my goodness, I'm losing my train of thought. This accent piece here actually came from Home Goods. The pumpkins at the bottom came from Z Gallery. All these items here came from Home Goods. My lamp came from Home Goods. My wall art and mirror actually came from Home Goods. And this accent chair here came from Wayfair. I love it because it has the gray and gold mixture in there, and I'm loving the gray and gold mixture. This pillow I've had for a few years. It came from Home Goods. My desk actually came from Wayfair. It has been out of stock. I haven't seen it in about 6 or 7 months, but it's so cute and I love it. And I actually DIY'd my mouse pad here with my Cricut maker. And speaking of my Cricut maker, this is my craft area as well. I have my little craft cart with all my vinyl and my supplies, my Cricut maker, my easy press, and things like that, all in my craft cart. And then I have a little box over there, that case you see. I also have my supplies in that as well. So everyone, this sums up this video. I hope that it inspired someone on using pink for fall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.